Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and welcome to this card making tutorial. This is the card I have to share with you, featuring the Blooms Impression Designer Series paper and Simply Said stamp set from Stampin' Up. It's a very simple tone on tone little card, just to say, just a note for when you need a card for that something for whatever reason. So let me show you how to make this cute little card. I'm going to start off with 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. And this, as I said, this is the Blooms Impressions Designer Series paper. And I'm going to use one as my background. So on the side, I think I'll have that for my background. And then I'm going to tear this. Now, this is the tearing technique. And depending which way you tear, you will get the edge. So I'm going to tear like this towards me. And then I will get the white edge on this side of the paper, which is exactly what I want. So there we have just that lovely white edge, and I'm going to stick that down with some Tombow. Okay, I'm just going to put that onto our base. And then I'm going to stick this down to on our card base. Now our card base is a standard 80s card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. So let's put this down. You can have a torn edge on whichever side you want, but I prefer it on the left. Okay, like that. I've just remembered something, so I'm going to tear this up again when I can without any hassle, and I'm going to leave it just like that out of the way. Well, actually we can do it now, it'll be fine. I want to wrap my cardstock. I want to wrap my card with some twine. So this would have been easier if I hadn't put glue down, but it'll be fine. I'm just going to wrap it a few times with some white baker's twine, and just make sure it's not too tight. So that's going to be more than enough. Okay, so let's make sure this is not too tight. Okay, so I'm just going to wrap it around a few times. I'm just going to secure it here at the back with some tearing tape. So let's try and find the end. Here we go, and I'm just going to secure all of that down there with the tearing tape. I'll take the backing off this. And then I'm going to put some more Tombow down. And we're going to stick this back to our card. And you can just adjust it as you want. I'm happy with it like that. Having said that, I decided to adjust it a bit more. And then we are going to stick it down to our card, like that. Okay, so now we are going to set that aside. Get that out of the way, get those bits out of the way. We're going to do a little bit of stamping. We're going to use the Simply Said stamp set, and we're going to use the one that says Just a Note. So let's get that out. Where is it? Here it is, Just a Note. And I'll use my grid paper to line everything up. And then I just need to get a scrap piece of basic white cardstock, which is here. And I'm going to stamp in Blackberry Bliss ink. Give it a good ink up. There we go. And then I'm going to cut this out using the nested essential dies. I've got these here. I can't remember what size I used. I think, yeah, I used that size there. And then I cut out from Blackberry Bliss with the biggest size. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I matted one on top of the other, and then I put some adhesive foam sheet on the back because it's quite a big area to cover with dimensionals. Whoops, bring back our card, and then we're just going to stick this in the center. And then I've got some of these in colour shimmer gems, and we're going to use some of these. So I'm going to use a small one here just over the dot. And I'm going to put one there, and there we go. There are our two cards. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to hit that subscription button. As I said, if you want more information, you'll find it on the blog post on my website, and you can find all my links in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.